How to choose a cooking oil for healthy diet. When choosing a cooking oil for a healthy diet, consider the following factors. 1. Smoke point. The smoke point is the temperature at which an oil begins to smoke and break down, releasing harmful chemicals and free radicals. Choose an oil with a high smoke point if you plan to cook at high temperatures, such as frying or sautéing. Examples of oils with high smoke points include avocado oil, canola oil, and refined coconut oil. 2. Fatty acid composition. The type and amount of fatty acids in an oil can affect its health benefits. Choose oils that are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, and low in saturated fats. Some examples of oils with favorable fatty acid profiles include olive oil, sunflower oil, and grapeseed oil. 3. Nutritional profile. Consider the nutritional value of the oil, such as its vitamin E content or omega-3 fatty acid content. Some oils, such as flaxseed oil and walnut oil, are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health. 4. Taste and flavor. Choose an oil with a taste and flavor that complements the dish you are preparing. For example, olive oil is often used in Mediterranean-style dishes, while sesame oil is commonly used in Asian-style dishes. 5. Processing. Choose oils that are minimally processed and unrefined, as these tend to retain more nutrients and beneficial compounds. Cold-pressed oils are a good option. Based on these factors, some good choices for cooking oils include olive oil, avocado oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, and walnut oil. It's also a good idea to vary your choice of cooking oils and not rely on just one type, as each oil has its own unique nutritional profile and benefits.